Hi guys, and welcome to another farming video. Now I'm just gonna show you guys my nursery bed. So this is a nursery for seeds, and I have some tomato seeds right there, and then the pepper seeds over there. Now to make this nursery, you have to have those fine grass, and those big bone grass. So you use this grass and sweat the nursery before it busts. After I start busting, you take off that grass off it. So as you can see, the tomato seedlings have already burst so pretty though. And guys, you want to do this whenever you're using washout seeds. Like you have some tomato and leave them there to make them kind of rotten, and then you wash out the seeds. It's best to plant it in a nursery like this rather than a cell tray. You can plant it in a cell tray also, but I prefer it this way. And as I said before guys, this is a washout tomato seeds. What I did, I bought some tomato off somebody, and I answer bite me up your some man. Could you answer them? Yes, so what I did was I bought some tomato off somebody and I put it in a bucket, threw some water on it, squashed them out, and I strained off the seeds, and then I sun them. So that's how I get the tomato seedlings. Guys, it was pretty though. Here. Was pretty. So you leave the fine grass on it. You just take off the big grass. You leave the fine grass on it. Yeah. This is a lot of seeds, man. Look here. Those are the tomatoes pushing up their head. I think these were planted about 5 days ago. Yeah, I made this 5 days ago, and see. Within 3 days though, a tomato seed is supposed to burst within 3 days. So if you plant tomato seed and you don't start burst within 3 days, something is wrong. And this is the pepper seed. Pepper seedlings take about 10 days to burst. So I'm not sure if these start burst yet, because I told you guys it was 5 days ago I make this nursery. I don't know, probably that's a grass. That's a grass. That's a grass seed popping up right there. So as you guys can see, I still have the sweat, thick bone grass to make it sweat on the peppers. So I'm not gonna take it off yet because it hasn't, pepper seed haven't start busted yet. I think those are grass or something. So you can see a pepper seed right here. There's pepper seed right there. So that one didn't go in the dirt. But I guess that's alright. So I'm gonna let this pepper sweat some more before I take off the big grass off it. Yes guys, and I have some beautiful sunlight. Look at there. There's the sun right there. Yeah. Guys, if you want to know more about making a nursery in the dirt, you can go ahead and leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share of course. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.